kudos to Zuckerberg and Meta and Instagram for actually getting in there and doing it well.
Unless...
Here's where we get to the bit where I'm chomping at the bit. My smartphone is in my hand. I'm going, how do I get this wonderful Threads thing onto my phone? Niall, tell us everything.
Yeah, unless you're in the EU. If you're in a country with a fairly liberal regime when it comes to data protection, I think have at it. The US and the UK definitely have it anyway. If you're in the EU, no, sorry. Reason being, Threads actually asks for a lot of your personal data, to which the EU basically went, no, or rather Facebook in a self-preservation, a move of self-preservation, knew they wouldn't be allowed to gather certain data, and are playing it smart by not launching in Europe just yet. So what version of Threads will we end up getting in Europe? That's quite interesting. Also quite interesting is how badly smashed Twitter is going to get when the Digital Services Act ramps up and things like hate speech will become grounds for sanction